Let me tell you the story of my life. Everything changed in 2002. 2002 was a very good year. I just finished high school, and my life looked perfect. 2002. That's when Victor came into my life. I hope we will get old together. 2002. Do you remember what you said to me? Try to remember. 2002. The year when we won the regional finals against East High School. An amazing year for the whole team. 2002. That's when I lost everything. The pain was just too much to handle. I never felt sadder in my life. I feel like crying right now. In 2002, I won the lottery. The best year of my life. 2002. Do you remember what you said to me? Try to remember. The barn! That's where I saw him the first time. Run! He is coming after you. 2002. Help! I'm stuck in room 2002. 2002. Yes, in 2002. The kids are sleeping. That's why I'm whispering.